Maintenance managers face a common challenge: reducing downtime, controlling costs, and maximizing efficiency. Success isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about creating a roadmap to smarter, more reliable operations. This is where a future-ready computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, comes into play. Think of maintenance maturity as a journey. At the lowest level, you're in reactive mode, fixing things only when they break. As you progress, you move through preventive, condition-based, and ultimately predictive maintenance. This is where data and automation come together to eliminate unplanned downtime. A scalable CMMS grows with you on this path, adapting to your current needs, like asset tracking and preventive scheduling, while preparing you for tomorrow with compliance workflows, condition-based triggers, and predictive analytics. Take ShireSystem from Elecosoft, for example. It's a powerful tool that supports multiple maturity levels. You can start with essential preventive regimes, where 40 to 59% of work is planned, and advance to truly predictive strategies, where over 95% of work is planned and data-driven. The system's tiered approach, Essentials, Professional, Advanced, and Expert, provides a clear roadmap. Each step builds on the last, guiding your organization toward higher reliability and lower costs. What are the tangible benefits of maturing your maintenance practices with ShireSystem? Organizations often report energy savings of 5 to 10%, inventory cost reductions of 20 to 40%, labor savings of 10 to 20%, fewer emergency repairs, and lower overtime costs. These aren't just projections, they're proven outcomes from real-world users. As your maintenance maturity grows, compliance becomes essential. A future-ready CMMS strengthens your audit readiness with integrated document control, version history, and metadata-driven search, replacing outdated paper-based processes. ShireSystem enhances teamwork with powerful collaboration tools, including a 3D asset viewer for complex equipment, enabling teams across multiple sites to work seamlessly together. The result? Greater efficiency, reduced risk, and a direct contribution to sustainability goals. If you want to see these innovations in action, consider joining the upcoming ShireSystem webinar titled Simplify Compliance, Enhance Teamwork. See what's new in ShireSystem CMS on September 10th, 2025 at 3 p.m. BST. You'll get an exclusive look at the latest document manager, improved search capabilities, and Mobile Pro X functionality, all designed to accelerate your maintenance journey. A CMMS should do more than meet today's challenges. It should guide your strategy for the future. ShireSystem embodies this future-ready approach, making it the ideal choice for forward-thinking maintenance leaders. Now is the perfect time to unlock your next stage of maintenance maturity.